Are you ready to take your culinary adventures to the next level? If so, meet the Instant Omni Plus 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. This versatile kitchen powerhouse combines 10 essential functions in one sleek appliance. From air frying to roasting and even dehydrating, it's time to revolutionize your cooking. Join me as we explore why the Instant Omni Plus belongs in your kitchen. The Instant Omni Plus is more than just an appliance, it's your culinary companion, offering remarkable 10 functions in one. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, this appliance is designed to make cooking a breeze. 10-in-1 functionality. What sets the Instant Omni Plus apart is its remarkable versatility. It can air fry, broil, bake, roast, dehydrate, reheat, rotisserie, toast, warm, and convection cook, all in a single appliance. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a kitchen space that's both efficient and effective. Even Crisp technology. Prepare to be wowed by the Instant Omni Plus's Even Crisp technology. This advanced feature ensures that hot air circulates evenly from top to bottom, resulting in a perfect golden finish every time. Your dishes will be irresistibly crispy on the outside yet tender on the inside. Extra large capacity. Don't let its compact design fool you. The Instant Omni Plus boasts an impressive capacity. It can easily accommodate a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken, and more. Say goodbye to batch cooking and hello to the convenience of preparing larger meals. Rotisserie feature. Indulge in the art of rotisserie cooking. The Instant Omni Plus's top heating element with a fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance. It's perfect for self-basting and tumble frying, creating succulent, flavorful dishes. Fast preheating. Time is of the essence, and the Instant Omni Plus understands that. It requires little to no preheating time, allowing you to go from frozen to golden in minutes. With a temperature range of 170 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the versatility to cook a wide range of recipes. Double-layer glass door. The Instant Omni Plus's double-layer glass door is more than just an aesthetic feature. It's designed to keep the heat inside for optimal cooking, ensuring that your dishes come out just the way you want them. A kitchen must-have. This appliance isn't just for gourmet meals, it's perfect for quick, delicious dishes, side dishes, appetizers, rotisserie chicken, and more. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen, whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply looking to simplify your cooking. Included accessories. The Instant Omni Plus comes with essential accessories to enhance your cooking experience. An enamel baking tray, stainless steel oven rack, air fry basket, BBQ-style rotisserie spit and forks, and a lift tool are all included. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Discover amazing recipes. With the Instant Pot app, you gain access to a world of culinary possibilities. Download it on iOS or Android and explore a vast library of recipes. Discover new favorites and prepare delicious meals with ease. Safety features. Your peace of mind is a priority. The Instant Omni Plus is equipped with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off to ensure safe and worry-free cooking. Ready to simplify your cooking and explore a world of culinary possibilities? The Instant Omni Plus 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is your answer. Elevate your kitchen game and prepare meals that will impress even the most discerning palate. Get your Instant Omni Plus today and embark on a culinary journey like no other.